In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to actually search with AI by comparing how three different models, ChatGPT, Claude, and Perplexity, handle the same task. This exploration will give you insight into their capabilities and how to leverage their potential effectively. To start, the first thing you want to do is open your browser and navigate to Google. Once there, type the word Perplexity into the search bar. Perplexity is a platform that allows you to interact with different AI models in a user-friendly manner. After typing Perplexity into Google, the next step is to click on the Perplexity website link from the search results. You may need to scroll a bit, depending on Google's algorithm at the time, but it should be near the top. Clicking this link takes you directly to the Perplexity AI platform, where you can engage with various AI models. Now, it's time to create your prompt. Write, "Trends predicted to go viral next week on TikTok." This allows us to evaluate how each AI interprets current and emerging trends in social media, particularly one as dynamic as TikTok. This prompt serves as an excellent test to see which AI can provide the most accurate or imaginative predictions. Once you've entered the prompt, you're going to select the GPT 5.1 model. This is one of the most advanced language models available, and it has a reputation for delivering nuanced and detailed responses. After selecting GPT 5.1, you'll click on the Submit button to see how this model responds to your prompt. Pay close attention to the type of trends it suggests and its reasoning behind each prediction. After observing the results from GPT 5.1, it's time to make the same query using a different model. Therefore, create the same prompt again, but this time change the model to Claude. Claude is another AI with its own unique set of algorithms and processing style, which might yield different results or offer fresh perspectives on your query. Again, hit Submit and evaluate the findings. Finally, let's try one more variation by entering the same prompt once more, but this time, switch to the best model option. This setting may select an optimal configuration that balances various strengths, aiming to provide the most comprehensive output possible given your query. After submitting the prompt with this setting, analyze how it compares to the previous models in terms of insight and creativity. This exercise not only presents a practical way to experience AI differences, but also equips you to make informed decisions based on the task at hand. Whether you're looking for factual information or creative ideas, understanding each AI's unique strengths and outputs can be highly beneficial. Feel free to experiment further with different prompts and models to see what else you can discover. Thank you for following along, and I hope this demonstration helps you harness the power of AI more effectively in your searches.